Okay, I'm inside the lower area. This is like underneath Fontainebleau. This is a line for where the taxis they line up underground, and then it comes back up on the front of the building there. I just thought I would do a little test. I don't know. I was thinking I might try to do a live stream. I don't think I could live stream in here. But I do have this little mount. I don't like how it shows so much of this dashboard. So right now I'm just sort of experimenting. Like this, it kind of lets me either go that, which kind of points up too much. This might be the optimal position, but it won't let me really put it there. So it either goes there, where it kind of points down, or it goes this here. Oh yeah, it's like the whole thing's gonna fall off now. I'm just experimenting. This is where I could mount this. Because I was thinking about maybe I could do go live. But while I'm waiting in line, I don't think I would go live while I have people in the car. I'm not sure if I'm even allowed to do that, even though it's pointing straight out and not pointed back towards anybody. I don't know if that's legal or not. I don't know. I just don't know. Or at least not kosher. It might not be kosher. I was wondering if I could put this on that thing, but I don't know. Oops. But the only place I see I could do... Now that's not too bad. What did I do differently this time? Oh, it's kind of... Oh, it's just... It kind of does its own thing. It just keeps... It's weird. That might not be too bad of a look. If I were to live stream. It's kind of weird how this thing is just has like these... I don't know, it just won't let you put it exactly where you want to put it. All right, well, here we are. If you ever was wondering what underneath the Fontainebleau looks like, this is kind of like a lower garage, even though this is not a garage. I mean, this is not parking. This is a, this is just like where the cabs line up, but it's underground instead of being above ground. Also, limos come in here. Now, apparently, I was just talking to one of the drivers behind me, because I told him I might just leave if the line doesn't get moving pretty soon. He said there should be a show break at midnight. Apparently, there's a show here that's going to be landing out at midnight. And that's why everyone's here, I guess. I'm just here because I just dropped off some folks. I picked them up. They just went and saw Shakira tonight at Allegiant. And I picked them up at Mandalay Bay and took them all the way down here to Fontainebleau. And then since I'm here, I thought I would just check this out. And now, so I came down here. I see the big long line. But yeah, the guy says a show break. That means the show should be getting out in about 7 minutes from now. So I guess it's worth the wait. Hopefully. Now the guy, you see way up there, that car moved. So we have movement. We've got some movement. Oh, there's one. The guy is just bailing out. That guy's bailing out for some reason. I wonder why he's bailing out. Just now the line's moving, and then that one guy wants to just leave. That's kind of crazy. That's a little crazy, if you ask me. but we do have some movement. So this is not a live stream. This is just a video. Maybe I'll post it. Maybe I won't. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll get some feedback in the chat if you guys think I should try to do a live stream. If I did do a live stream, I bet it would only be, I would only do it, I think I would only do it while I'm waiting in a taxi line. And so it might only be, you know, a 20-minute or live stream. I don't think I would do it for the whole, like once I got the customer. I just don't want to take a chance of getting in trouble. But if I'm by myself, I think I can do it. You know, so anyhow. Like, then this isn't, I don't think I can live stream in here. I have to be above ground. I don't think the live stream would work, for one thing. And number two, this isn't the most exciting area. It's kind of, I think it's more visually exciting if I'm somewhere above ground and on the strip, and everyone can see, you know, the people walking around and the light, you know, the lights and everything. That might be a little more, you know, visually stimulating and interesting. Doing a live stream in here in the garage, well, it's not really like, it's not really the garage, but you know what I mean. You know, not much to look at other than the car ahead of me. So we do see some cars that these guys are just driving through. They've decided that they're not going to wait. I've done that before. I see the line and I'm like, nope, forget it. But there is a show break apparently in about 4 minutes from now. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know if I want to keep doing this video. See, that's the thing that's different than a live stream. A live stream, I would just keep it going and we would just talk and, you know. But since it's a video, it's a little bit different. And nothing's really happening. But this is sort of like just me kind of experimenting to see how this would look and how this camera would go. And then, so, okay, let's just pretend, okay, I'm doing the live stream. Let's pretend this is a live stream. And let's say all of a sudden, I'd pick up some people, and then I would just go, okay, guys, I'm in. Live stream's over. Wait. Mandalay Bay, wide way. 50 on the porch. Why? Well, the thing about that, lady, is that I am on the complete other side of the strip, into the strip, and so I am not going to rush over to Mandalay Bay, because by the time I get there, those 50 people on the porch will probably be gone. Anyhow, oh, the guy behind me is leaving for some reason. Are you going to Mandalay Bay? I know, I just heard that, but I figured by the time I get there, it might be all done by now. The people I just dropped off here, I picked them up from Mandalay Bay, and yeah. Alrighty. So that guy behind me is the one that told me about the he heard the radio call too, so he's gonna go to Mandalay Bay. Now I'm wondering, should I go to Mandalay Bay? Because I did go, that's where I just came from. I picked up the people that I dropped off here. I dropped them off, I picked them up at Mandalay Bay, and I did notice that there were a lot of people, because that's where, you know, that's right across the street from, basically right across the highway from Allegiant Stadium, and that's where Shakira was tonight. And I just happened to be there because I picked up some people from Caesar's Palace and took them to Mandalay Bay, and there weren't really any cabs there, because it's not the front entrance, it's the back entrance where I went. And so I don't know. Now we're like 1 minute away from show break. I'm just thinking I'm gonna stay here. I don't know. All right. Well, anyhow, this is my experiment. Okay, what was I at? Oh yeah, we were pretending that this is a live stream, and then I'm going to be picking up somebody right now. They're going to get in. They're almost going to get in the cab. So I would just have to. Here's how it would be. It'd be like, okay, guys, I got to end the live stream because I'm picking somebody up. Bye. See you later. Thanks for being here.